One tool that we can use to simplify trigonometric expressions is factoring. All the algebra that you know still applies in the same way that it always did. So I'm going to look at this expression here, cosine x minus cosine cubed x, and recognize I have two terms that have a common factor of cosine x. So I'm going to factor that out. When I factor out, left from the first term I have 1, left from the second term I have cosine squared x. Now is when identities come in. You might remember the identity sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1, the Pythagorean identity. Any rearrangement, algebraic manipulation of this identity still produces an identity. So if I subtract cosine squared x from both sides, I get sine squared x equals 1 minus cosine squared x. Since sine squared x and 1 minus cosine squared x are equal to each other, I can substitute. Now I have cosine x times, instead of 1 minus cosine squared x, I'm going to write something that it's equal to, sine squared x. That is more simplified than the original because it's only one term as opposed to two. And there's not really anything else that we're going to be able to do from there, so there it is.